Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your residential address in Exness. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we need to do is head on over to my.exness.com, make sure to sign in. Once you've signed in, what I've noticed, you should be able to change your address inside settings, but if we go to settings profile, there's no option here to change your residential address. So what we need to do is go ahead and click on the support hub. This is a new feature inside Exness. So click onto that. Then from here, you'll be in support hub. Scroll down and click on open a ticket. And then it will say please select a topic for your inquiry so it can assist you better. So this will be under technical. And then choose other, click continue. And now from here, please describe the issue in more detail. And then pretty much say something along the lines, I want to change my residential address, can you please help me? And then click continue. And then it'll say ticket summary, and then go ahead and click submit. And now they're going to go ahead and read that within 24 to 48 hours and help you with changing your residential address.